melhor de tudo, essa queda d'água. Muita água, muita força. Uhul!
What the hell?
A mysterious figure emerges out of the water, where it momentarily stands there before disappearing back the way
Bro
it
said-
came, never to be seen
Good
again.
God.
Tourists are clearly shocked at this seemingly unexplainable event, and you can hear one of the group frantically asking if they saw it. Commenters on this video are divided. Some suggest there could be a small opening between the rocks where the figure appeared from. However, the majority believe this to be a ghost, with some even claiming to have visited the waterfall before, mentioning that the waterfalls in Rio Claro have a very strange and supernatural feel about